Good day, everybody. This is John from Flickr Brains. If you my students out there, I greet you guys too. Okay, you can see this is a new month. This is second of the month, a new month, and this month our target to load this account this month is around $50,000. All right, let's go over to business right away. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Follow us for more Google AdSense loading content. All right, join me as I log into my AdSense account. All right, you can see we made $700. Let me zoom this. You can see it, we've made $700 this month. You can see for yesterday so far we didn't make that much. We made roughly $300. That's not that much, but it's still starting. You can see this month $1,000 so far. You can look over the balance there. You can see that we have made $40,000. We summed it up to $40,000 last month. That's good, that's great. We are still keep pushing it hard. So if you can go through down my videos, you see when this account I was still making over like $10,000 there about then, and I said that this account I will continue using loading to grow it up to $100,000. And if you with few months ago I've been loading it 10, 15, 20. I'll be growing it, and last month we have reached 40. I said this month we are going to go like $50,000. You can see our performance. You can see that our page views and our RPM, our impression, our CTR, CPC, clicks, everything is outstanding and accurate. You can look at all of them. They're outstanding and accurate. You can see them. You can see the impression too. So now I know you guys will be asking, which method do you use to generate this type of earnings? Now my method is fully automation method, because with manual method you can't make this kind of earnings, and with manual method I have waste time to employ a lot of people. Yeah, I'll employ a lot of people to help me, like around 20 people to load it, but it was costing me much, so I stopped using manual method, and now I'm using automation method, fully automation method. I can see the work of automation method. With this automation method, I don't even have much cost. I just only buy proxies and email lists for loading. You can see what we have done. You can see our cookies are outstanding, because with our cookies, you'll be able to make your CPC high. If you follow this channel, you can go through our videos. You see that our CPC is not low. You cannot see our CPC 0 points. It's not possible, because this method is a working method. It's a working method. Let me refresh this. So if you want to learn this method, the link is in the description box below. You contact us, we'll teach you. Then if you are an arbitrage personnel and you want to learn how to make more money with AdSense, click on the description box below.